that we were talking about, it's almost washed away right now because we're up only around 25 points approximately. So it's been a good trading session, but these geopolitical tensions have come back into play, and that's the reason why the markets are looking a little bit nervous. Nimesh joins us to help us out with what he's picking up on D Street Chatter. Nimesh?
Hi Nigel, as you rightly pointed out, the fresh geopolitical concerns is something which is the reason why you've seen a sharp 200 points fall in the Nifty in the last half an hour of trade. Nevertheless, there was a good recovery in the first half, and largely because the market looks so oversold across large cap, mid caps and small caps. So maybe that's the reason why we saw a bit of a recovery in the first half of today's market. The good news is that the FI selling intensity has been much lower in the last couple of days, and looks like the large part of the FI selling seems to be largely over. That's the overall feedback from the dealings as well. I guess from the near-term perspective, while geopolitical risk is something to watch out for, the Maharashtra election outcome is going to be equally important as well. We have the results on Saturday, so next Monday is when we'll see a clarity on which way the markets tend to switch. I guess 200 DM is also going to be very crucial from a technical point of view. The good part is that today we've seen an across-the-board recovery in the broader market stocks as well. The portfolio looks slightly better off after today's recovery, but I guess as you also pointed out, the geopolitical risk is something need to keep an eye on for the next couple of days.
Got that, Nimesh. What about individual stocks? What are you picking up?
Well, Nigel, now that the earnings season is almost over, I guess the trend of blocks are going to happen very soon. So I'm identifying a couple of names where there is an expectation of large block deals to come very soon. GE/T&D is the first name. There could be a large block. Nearly 15% equity could change hands. ZF Commercial, we saw last quarter as well, the promoter sold a large chunk. Again, there is a possibility of a large block coming in ZF Commercial as well. And also in Piramal Pharma, the buzz is that the private equity may sell some large stakes. So these are the few names where there could be large potential blocks in the days to come. The second name is EPAC Durables. There was a feedback last week as well that some larger HNIs have sold after the recent rally. There is a large block today. I understand an FI was a seller and some investors were buyers in today's block. So disclosures, if there is any, could be quite interesting in EPAC Durables. The third name is Kiri Industries. This is surprising. Overall weak market. This stock has actually outperformed. This month, the stock is up 33%. The volumes are on the higher side. I understand some larger HNI investors are quite active buyers as well. So maybe something is brewing in Kiri as well in the last couple of days. And the last is Trent. We've seen a good recovery in Trent as well in today's market. In fact, post the Q2, there was a sharp sell-off. But at lower levels, I understand a leading domestic mutual fund has been aggressively buying Trent in the last couple of days. And today also there are buy flows at leading FI desk.
All right, Nimesh, thank you very much for that. So those are